Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we are told that there's a relationship between R, which is the average shoppers per minute in a store, T, the time that each of them spends in the store, and N, which is the number of shoppers in the store at any one time, where the number of shoppers in the store is equal to the number of shoppers per minute times the number of minutes. And the owner of the Good Deals store estimates that during business hours, he has an average of 3 shoppers per minute, and each of them stays for 15 minutes. Therefore, at any one point, there are 3 times 15, or 45 shoppers at any given time. He then opens a new store where we have 90 shoppers per hour, staying an average of 12 minutes. And we're asked, what percentage less is the average number of shoppers in this store compared to the original store? So if we're going to calculate N equals RT, finding the new average number of customers in the new store, first, we can't just multiply 90 times 12 like we did here, because 90 is shoppers per hour, and this equation works for shoppers per minute. So we have to do a unit conversion where we have 90 shoppers per hour. We multiply it as a unit conversion by 1 hour over 60 minutes. Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, this is multiplying something by itself, or divided by itself, so therefore it's multiplying by 1, so the actual value doesn't change, except now we have 90 divided by 60 is 1.5 shoppers, not per hour, but per minute. So we didn't change the value of the rate, but we changed the unit. So now we have our R and our T. Our R is the shoppers per minute, which we know is 1.5, and the average time, which is T, is 12 minutes. So we have 1.5 times 12. If you multiply these out, you get 18. So there's 18 shoppers in the store at any one time, and we're asked what percent less is this than the average in the original store. To find what this is, you take the original minus the new, and you divide it by the original. If you do that, you get here is 27 over 45, and if you divide these two out, you get 0.6. So what is this in a percent? Well, 0.6 times 100, to get it into a percent, is 60% less. What percent less is in the question? So our final answer is 60. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.